Hello, welcome to another Jungopharm tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to add products on the Jungopharm platform. So let's get started. The first step is to log into a Jungopharm account, and once you're logged in, you'll see the Jungopharm dashboard, and to add products, head to the Manage Stock button over here and click on it. We'll show you how to add products like you see here. So to get started, click on the Add Stock button over here at the top right corner. It will take you to the product list page where you'll see a variety of products to choose from based on what you have in stock. Click on the Add button on the product you want, and a pop-up shows where you can add the quantity. That is the number of items you currently have. If you have 50 of the selected product, all you have to do is type it here. To get an alert when your stock is running low, input the minimum quantity you'd like to receive an alert on. For example, if you choose to type 20, you will automatically get notified when your stock hits that mark, so you can start planning on restocking. Next, add the strength of the medicine, whether it's in mg or ml. So if you have a product of 300 milligrams, just add it here. Type in the expiry date and then select the expiry notification period, whether it's 6 or 3 months. This notifies you when your stock is near expiry. Type in your selling price, then click the Add button. You can go ahead and add other items to your stock by selecting from the list. Alternatively, you can search for the item on the search bar at the top right and repeat the process. And once you're done, click on the Add button here and you will have successfully added products to your account. To view your products, click the Manage Stock button and start selling. That's it for the video. See you next time.